Do your wide-leg silky pants drag on the floor? In this video, I'll show you how to shorten them the right way while keeping the hem smooth and flowing. Let's get started. With this style of pants, the outer seam is usually a little shorter than the inseam. Because of the wide leg design, the inseam often drags on the floor more. There's a simple trick to getting the hem even, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. As you can see, after trying the pants on, the inseam needs about 2 inches removed, while the outer corner only needs about ½ inch. That's why we can't measure the same amount all the way around. We'll follow the shape of the pants to create a smooth, even hem. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please like and subscribe for more sewing tips. I removed about 2 inches from the inseam and about ½ inch from the outer seam to prevent the inseam from dragging on the floor. The cutting is done. Now we'll move to the regular sewing machine. The stitching starts at the inseam. Fold the edge up by ½ inch and start sewing. As you sew, use your fingers to guide the folds slowly, keeping the edge smooth and even for a clean, professional finish. Since this is silky fabric, it moves very easily. Sew slowly and guide the fabric with your fingers to keep the hem smooth and even. And now that the sewing is complete, let's give the pants a final press for a clean, professional finish. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more easy, professional sewing tips.